Any guesses where I am today? School capital of India, city of Dronacharya, capital of Uttarakhand. Yes, I am in Dehradun. But we are not here just for the Maggie and mountains. We are at DBS Global University. While DBS Global University is a new phase of future-ready education here, but its legacy goes back to 2007. Want to know more about DBS Global University? Then let's hear it from the ones who are already experiencing it.
Are you ready?
So now we have with us the Pro Vice Chancellor of DBS Global University. So sir, my first question is, why Dehradun?
A very interesting question, ma'am. Everybody knows that Dehradun is the biggest education hub, and it happened to be since ages coming across with the name of Doon School. And what I personally feel that Dehradun is having a great scenic beauty, a very serene and calm environment. We are situated in the foothills of Himalayas, and this is the place where one should always come to study. Worthy to be studying, worthy to be living here. It gives altogether a different experience and exposure to the students.
So Nalakshi, tell me something about Doon School of Law.
So Doon School of Law was established in 2025 only, and we're the first batch of Doon School of Law. Let us explore the campus. First of all, this is our classroom. This is the moot court of Doon School of Law, and we experience real life court here and do mocks here. So this is our central library. We have more than 3,000 books, barracks, journals, specifically for the law students.
So what is DBS Global University and what are its USPs?
The USP of the university is that it is a multidisciplinary university. It is very progressive university. It uses technology and it is a boutique university. We use artificial intelligence and technology a lot in our day-to-day work and in our courseware, in our curriculum. We have incorporated agentic AI and technology in our each and every course that we teach. We have a lot of industry collaborations. Some of which I would like to share is that SAP, SAS, Ultrix, SCL, to name a few. And we have one of the USP is that we have collaboration with more than 50 universities in 20 different countries, which provide a global exposure and mobility for the students. We have more than 20 plus student clubs which are run and managed by students, and they are related to sports, they are related to their hobbies, music, and some of the clubs which are related to extracurricular activities, and they actually bring out the teamwork and the leadership qualities in our students.
So what's your take on industry-integrated learning and expert faculty mentorship?
At the Doon School of Law, industry-integrated learning is a core part of our curriculum. The curriculum at the Doon School of Law is designed in a way that we take continuous inputs from legal experts, academicians, and policymakers, trying to ensure that there is a blend of practicality and the theoretical aspect as well. The students, for that purpose, are sent to participate in workshops, internships at NGOs, law firms, and corporate houses. With regard to the faculty, we have experienced faculty. Some are practicing advocates, some are specialized in certain areas of law, trying to ensure that they bring certain insights of their field into the curriculum. And mentorship we provide to the students at both academic and the professional level, ranging from career guidance, judicial coaching, examination preparation, and also in terms of skill development. So our curriculum is designed in a way that we try to provide a blend of both the practical aspect and the theoretical aspect.
And what are the social responsibility and holistic development steps taken by Doon School of Law?
Doon School of Law takes our social responsibility very seriously, and we work to help both our student as well as the community. We regularly conduct legal awareness camp, outreach program, and other activities so that the people can know about their rights, gender equality, and about the environment protections. And through its legal awareness camp, legal aid clinic, students also learn to help people with basic legal needs free of cost. Not only that, we also conduct various kinds of activities like moot court, seminar, workshop, so that the students can get knowledge about this and develop their skill as well as their confidence. And by including ethics, community service, and practical training in teaching, our school ensures that our students grow into a responsible and socially aware legal professional. In order to achieve this goal, we are providing social internship to our students in the first and the second year of their academia so that the dreams of our school can become reality.
So, what are the programs offered at Doon School of Law?
At the Doon School of Law, we offer 4 programs. The first, BA LLB Honours, BBA LLB, LLM and PhD. The unique feature of Doon School of Law is that we offer dual specialization model. That is the first degree and of the second degree. In BA LLB, the first degree is BA, and in BBA LLB, the first degree is BBA. The second degree is the law degree. In BA degree, the students have an option to choose a major minor combination ranging from political science, economics, sociology, English literature, psychology, and for BBA, they have an option to choose finance, HR, management, data analytics, finance analytics, etc. amongst. They have to choose a major minor combination, and this is a unique feature which we categorize as the first degree. In the second degree, the students have an opportunity. Apart from that, the students have an option to design their own curriculum from the specialization that we provide in law.
So, Aditya and Krish, can you please elaborate about the course curriculum?
So I am pursuing BBA LLB from Doon School of Law, and it's the only university in India which is right now offering dual specialization in both the majors and the minors. So we can opt for 1 major and 2 minors, and 2 majors and 1 minors both. The professors in the BBA course are highly qualified, and some of them are chartered accountant and company secretary as well.
We have a BLLE program also, which is 5 years integrated program, and it includes subjects like political science, sociology, economics, history, English, and besides that, we also cover a law parts which includes constitutional law, criminal law, civil law, contract law, and family law. And the DBS Global University also provides us with the moot courts, internship, and court visits, and provides us with the legal aids also. Students can also prepare for the competition exams like UPSC, PCSJ.
Can you please throw some light on the international collaborations?
Yeah, sure. So our Doon Global Law School has got articulation pathways with 2 universities at UK, University of Liverpool and University of Hertfordshire. These 2 universities, topmost universities in UK, and along with the BA LLB and BB LLB program, a student will take some additional courses which will be recognized by these 2 universities. And a student directly can actually go for solicitor qualifying examination and appear for a barristership. And the student also have an opportunity to earn between 40 to 80 lakhs over there. And the beauty of this articulation pathway is that you are doing it less than half of the cost. So if you spend 3 years in UK doing this, getting a barrister degree, it will be like approximately 80 lakhs. While here it will come down to 17 to 20 lakhs. This is a wonderful pathway, what we have at Doon Global Law School along with your BA LLB and BB LLB program.
So, Anamika, can you tell me more about the sports culture?
DBS Global University offers well-maintained facilities for basketball, football, badminton, pool, and more. We also have annual sports fest, which is DBS Premier League.
So, what are the USPs of Doon School of Law?
It's a slightly long answer I would like to give. Doon School of Law, although incepted in 2025 only, we got the approval of BCI. But this program for Doon School of Law, we are running BBLLB and BLLB programs. Both the programs have been curated with the full focus on the employability and practical exposure of the students. To your surprise, I tell you that we have a panel of retired judges, sitting justice, senior law firms, very senior law officers from corporates and from legal firms. And we all sat together to design the curriculum. I believe, and I have this confidence, that we are the only institution which is giving a specialized program in BLLB and BBLLB. We are the one who are offering specialization in the primary degree as well as in the secondary degree. When I talk about primary degree and secondary degree, suppose a student goes for BLLB or BBLLB. So BA is his primary degree, BBA is his primary degree and law as a secondary degree. So the program has been curated in such a way that the student opts for 2 majors and 2 minors in his primary degree. If suppose he goes for BLLB, so out of history, political science, sociology, psychology, economics, philosophy, English literature, journalism, mass communication, public administration, there are so many baskets of courses, out of which he takes the specialization, 2 majors and 2 minors. And along with that, he can also specialize his law program. Suppose somebody is going for BLLB, he can go for the constitutional law, he can go for the crime and criminology, he can go for the international law. So there are baskets of the specialized courses which he can opt for. So this is thoroughly based on the choice-based credit system. Every student is entitled to frame or curate his own course structure, and this is the only program in India which is being run by DBS Global University. There is nobody who's doing it. So this is the USP of the program.
Hi, Anamika. Can you tell me something about DBS Global University?
DBS Global University was earlier known as Doon Business School, which was established in 2007.
Last year in 2024, Doon Business School was granted the status of university. DBS Global University brands itself as AI integrated and future-based campus. With AI-based learning tools, industrial collaborations, modern labs, and a focus on future skills, DBS Global University aims to prepare students for tomorrow's world. It is a university built on DBS legacy, but shaped for global opportunities.
And so what about the practical exposure?
Yes. When it comes to practical exposure, ma'am, the very first idea came to our mind that the theoretical knowledge which is being imparted by the law schools, within those 5 years, students do not hone their argumentative skills and do not hone their other skills when it comes to public dealing. So we have one legal aid clinic. Under that legal aid clinic, we have adopted around 15-16 villages and small towns. So our students from the very first year, they go for the internships. So our students are opting for 2 social internships in 2 first years. Means first year they are going for the social internship, second year also they are going for the social internship, and this gives them exposure in terms of dealing with the people, interacting with the people, understanding their challenges, addressing those problems which they are coming across, and guiding them for the proper legal aid. This is the first thing which we are giving to our students. Second, our students go frequently to the court visits. So our students are visiting the district courts, they are visiting to the judiciary courts, they are going to the high courts and supreme courts to see how the proceedings in the court happen, how the law functions. To give you the exposure a bit more about the program, this program has been embedded with the practical training to the students.
Okay.
So it is not a complete theoretical program. Every course has some practical exposure. So every course has a provision wherein a senior lawyer or a retired justice or a sitting justice or somebody from the corporate law firms, they visit and they deliver a session to the students pertaining to that area only.
Okay.
So this is how every subject has been exposed to the practical exposure. So this is how we are giving practical exposure.
And sir, any recent events which were held by the college?
Yes, ma'am. So it again falls into the same category of practical exposure. We have recently, on 26th of November, celebrated Constitution Day. And we have a good gamut of lawyers who came here to interact with these students, and they gave them insights how the law functions in country. We have recently had an activity of Advocates Day on 3rd of December. So senior lawyers, Joint Director of Prosecution, member of Police Complaint Redressal Committee, he came, senior lawyers came, some young lawyers having exposure of 10 years in corporate, some lawyers who have exposure of 7-8 years in the litigation, they also came to visit the campus and they interacted with all the students of law. So they told them the nuances of the practice of law. The title was, it was basically a workshop which we did on Advocacy Day, the advocacy skills in today's criminal justice system.
Okay.
So that was again altogether a practical exposure. The big event happened in campus. To tell you further that my students are visiting the Vidhan Sabha on 9th of December, this 9th of December. Next week they are going, and they are going to understand how the house functions, कैसे कानून बनाए जाते हैं और उसकी क्या प्रोसेस होती है, हाउस कैसे फंक्शन करता है. बच्चों को एक पूरी तरह से जानकारी मिलती है कि कानून का काम सिर्फ कोर्ट में नहीं है. कानून उस दिन से शुरुआत होती है जिस दिन से कानून बनाने की आवश्यकता महसूस होती है. So that is being exposed, an exposure given to the students. 10th of December, we are celebrating Human Rights Day. So you'll be surprised to know that the Chief Justice of High Court and the first Human Rights Commission chairman is coming to the campus to address the students. So बच्चों को almost every week कुछ ना कुछ नया मिल रहा है जिसमें वो expose हो रहे हैं और देख रहे हैं कि law institution and we are trying to establish a fact that किस तरीके से law institution को function करना चाहिए. We are going to create a benchmark in this industry.
Cherry, can you tell me about your experience of the practical exposure?
So at Doon School of Law हमें practical knowledge के बारे में ज़्यादा बताया जाता है. जैसे हमें court visit पे लेके जाते हैं, विधानसभा visit on various occasions like Constitution Day, Advocates Day, National Human Rights Day. हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत senior judges आते हैं, lawyers आते हैं, criminal lawyers, criminal advocates वो आते हैं. वो हमें practical knowledge देते हैं about how things works in court. और DBS Global University वो हमें internships भी provide करेंगे आगे जाके जो I think very helpful, which is very helpful CV build करने के लिए. Also, they provide us international programs. They have tie-ups with various international universities. तो वो एक international exposure भी मिलता है हमें जो I think we all want.
Right. So Prajakta, what is your experience of the curricular activities?
As a law student, मैं ऐसा सोचती हूँ कि I guess textbooks या सिर्फ रटना या सिर्फ सब कुछ को पढ़ते रहना, it's not only about कि हाँ हमें इसी से सीख मिलेगी. I would say कि exposure to like जैसे हम लोग के यहाँ पे अभी recently events जो advocates के and literature events festivals वगैरह हुए थे उसमें हमने visit करा था and हमें उसमें DY चंद्रचूड़ से मिलने को मौका मिला था. वो एक grand opportunity थी उनको सुनना और उनके लिए like उनके inspiring words और उनके बारे में जानना बहुत ही अच्छा experience था.
Now we are at the boys' mess. This is the girls' hostel mess. And for all the gym freaks, there is a fully equipped gymnasium. The college has fully equipped hostel facilities for both boys and girls in the campus. And behind me is the boys' hostel. Right now, we are at the boys' hostel room. Let's explore. So this is a two-seater room with an attached bathroom. The rooms also have attached balcony.
So we have 4 girls hostel inside the campus and they have provided us with all the basic amenities. A Wi-Fi, gym, cafeteria, comfortable rooms, attached washroom with balconies. It's a great view.
Shaping legal luminaries for the future. Amazing infrastructure, lush green campus, and India's leading AI-ready university. This was DBS Global University. So if you have any questions about Doon School of Law or DBS Global University, then do let us know in the comment section below.